Across this bridge is a Philippine bamboo bridge. We're all going to cross at the same time.
No, one at a time. How much do you weigh?
I think easily we could put 20 people on this bridge at the same time.
You think so?
He's going to go hold the bridge from underneath.
Oh, good. There's a support for the bridge, is it?
This bridge was constructed in the 1800s. This bridge connects Cebu with Bohol. It gets a lot of traffic.
Slowly. Look at it sideways. Walk sideways.
So we're up in the mountains. This would be the valley part of the mountains.